Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My channel's name is Mama Goonie and I just got a shipment from dōTerra. Oh, I've been waiting and waiting for this. Okay, so I didn't wait forever, but when you finally and you're getting something this good, it just seems like every minute is just taking forever. Anyway, here's my Ryan. Ryan, show some love. No? Well, okay, fine. We're going to go ahead and unbox this here box. And we're going to see all the amazing stuff that is inside, okay? You guys are watching me as I'm doing this. You're here? See me unbox this box? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at the way how this is packaged. So nice. It's like a gift. Look at this. The Healthy Home Kit. That's what I ordered to start my own dōTerra business. Ooh. I should be getting the peppermint, the lemon. Oh my goodness. I just got some of this blended. Okay, I kind of jumped the gun because I saw a little box. And I got this here. Citrus Bliss Invigorating Blend. Oh, smells amazing and so yummy. It's like yes. And here we should be getting Deep Blue for massaging. That lemon, drop it too in your glass of water, and you'll have something very refreshing. Inhale for the improved mood. Oh my gosh. Cleaning is one thing. Okay, I get it. You know, after you clean it, what next? Make the house yours by filling it with essential oils. Oh, look at this. Dilute and apply to the bottoms of your feet. Wow. And take for immune support. Oh my gosh. This is something that everybody should take advantage of. On Guard. Hello. Diffuse during fall and winter. Interesting. I wish I discovered that sooner. Add the water. Oh, and soothe throat. Wow, this is an amazing box. I was in the market for buying some shampoo and conditioner. This is perfect. Have an opportunity to try that. The hand wash, always. On Guard toothpaste and On Guard cleaning concentrate. Okay, so got that. Let's get into the box. First thing I see here is this. Oh my. It just goes deep. God, that is. You know, I thought that these would be like tiny, but these are huge. Get out of there. Gimme. You're mine. These are substantial sizes. The oil inside, my understanding is that 1 or 2 drops is all you need. Not a teaspoon, not a quarter teaspoon. Drops. That's all you need. On Guard. Good. Breathe. Tea tree. Let's see, there's a peppermint. What are you? Oregano. Lavender. This is the lemon. Ooh. This is Deep Blue. This is the massage. This is the massaging oil for sore muscles. Hey, peppermint, I call you. Oh, boy. There it is. Yeah, I shook it a little too hard. I should just tap instead of just, try to shake it like a salt shaker. But, oh my gosh. This would be great in my, in my tea. It's essential oils, and most of these are safe for ingesting. So, that will be like amazing for when summer comes around. This one caught my eye. The On Guard foaming hand wash. So this is the bottle of the hand wash. It's sealed for my protection. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. Oh, these type of scents just so make me smile. On Guard Natural Whitening Toothpaste. The toothpaste is also sealed for our protection. On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try this. And here, this is the On Guard Foaming Hand Wash. Take this bottle and fill it up with this here liquid. My understanding is that this pump will foam up the liquid. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in my kitchen. There's more than one person in this house, so I feel that it's best to have something like this accessible to everybody. We have the On Guard Sanitizing Mist. And of course, yes, this here too is sealed for my protection. I'm going to hold off on opening this because I already have a couple of spray sanitizers open. So when I'm out, I can be able to go ahead and dig into this. The smoothing conditioner with proprietary, ooh, healthy looking hair and scalp. Oh, I dig this. And we have the protecting shampoo. Ooh, it's color safe. Exactly what I need. Ooh, orange and lime. And I am out of shampoo, so this came in just in time. It's sealed for my protection. This smells. Boy. Oh. Oh, did you guys see that? Ooh. But here we go. And oh my. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Can't smell it, huh? This is going to go immediately into my bathroom with this conditioner because I'm officially out of shampoo and conditioner, so these came right on time. Ooh, this box comes with a gadget. You just don't want to open, huh? Again, it's sealed for my protection. Let me try and do all this with one hand. Okay, we have instructions. Yeah, don't do that mess. Ooh. Ooh. You know, I am in serious need of a brand new diffuser. And this looks interesting. Stay. Go ahead and get this started like immediately, but you know, some people are so triggered when I don't read the instructions. Fine, I'll read the instructions. And caution. So, I am going to go ahead and set up this here because I love diffusers. I miss my diffuser. My diffuser just, you know, went out on me. And a treasure trove of all of these essential oils. Yes, okay. I wonder if I could be able to put free in here because I really feel that I'm going to need that. I could put this in my diffuser. Or I could put it on here topically. Doesn't matter. Wow. Some of these you can be able to ingest. Some of them are supplements. So I can't wait to really get started. If you enjoy and like this video, okay, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and don't be shy. Subscribe. Subscribe to me, Mama Goonie. I really do appreciate you guys coming and seeing me make a mess and a fool of myself with this unboxing. That's the household cleanser. I really do enjoy this box and this. I feel that I can be able to use everything that's in this box. I hope that you guys will stay safe and be well for yourselves. You take care and, you know, just enjoy your day. But please be safe. Bye now.